Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious, refreshing, tropical punch. Yes, it's perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have the tropical blend, which is pineapple, mango, papaya, and cocoa. Granulated sugar, passion fruit, water, pulp, and ice. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing, refreshing fruit punch, tropical fruit punch at home. So let's get started. I want to start first with my granulated sugar because I am going to make my simple syrup. Okay, these are the two ingredients we need. I have my glass jar here. I'm going to go ahead and add my granulated sugar. I am going to add 1 cup of water. Remember that the sugar is to taste. And look at this. You could see the granulated sugar right on the bottom, and we're going to go ahead and take it to the stove. Here in the stove, I'm going to cook it in medium-low heat, and I'm just going to be waiting until the granulated sugar disappears and the water turns a little bit yellow. That's when you know that your simple syrup is ready. Look at this. You could see the granulated sugar on the bottom. After a couple minutes, the water turns just a little yellow, and that's when you know that your simple syrup is ready. No more sugar at all. You can't see any granulated sugar in the water. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to let it rest until I am ready to use it so that it will cool down completely, at least at room temperature. Look at all those bubbles. Okay, I am ready. I'm just going to let it rest, like I said, until it's at room temperature. And I am ready to use it. Now, I want to continue showing you the following step. How to make this delicious and amazing tropical fruit punch. I have the passion fruit pulp, and of course, if you don't have I have the plant here at home, but if you don't have the plant at home and you need to go buy it, you could find it in any supermarket. It's the passion fruit pulp. That's what you're gonna be buying. And here I have the mixture of all the delicious and amazing fruit: papaya, mango, pineapple, and coconut. Look at this. This is the only ingredients we need, and water, of course. I'm only using half a cup of the simple syrup. I have all the fruit here already chopped in little pieces, and I have my pulp of the passion fruit. And now that I have all these ingredients ready, well, I'm going to start first by showing you the pulp. It's really thick. You could even see little pieces on it, which that is very normal. I'm going to transfer it here. I'm going to add the simple syrup right on the top. And of course, I am going to blend it. And you might be thinking, why is Gloria going to blend this? Because you could see the little pieces of the passion fruit. It's not completely dissolved. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead, put it in the blender, and I'm going to blend it for just a couple minutes. It's going to get nice and thick, and the color is even going to change. So let's go and let's blend it completely. Like I said, the color changes a little bit and now it's nice and thick and it's really watery, but it's really delicious. Look at this. Now I am ready to taste to see if the simple syrup was enough. Remember, if you don't want to add sugar, you could add honey, you could add agave. You decide with what you want to sweeten this delicious and amazing tropical fruit punch. Look at this, nice and smooth. That's exactly how you want your passion fruit liquid, nice and smooth. And now I have my big bowl here. And to this, of course, I am going to add a lot of ice because I really want to enjoy this fruit punch just like that, nice and cold. It's very hot here in California and I really want to enjoy it really nice and cold. Look at this. I'm adding a little bit of ice, a little bit of fruit, more ice until I fill this bowl all the way to the top. The colors look amazing. After a couple of hours, when you added all the liquids, it really gets more intense with the flavors of the coconut, the pineapple, the papaya, and the mango. Let it rest for at least 2 to 3 hours and you will see all those flavors mingling in that liquid of the passion fruit. You're really going to enjoy this amazing tropical fruit punch. I am sure you guys are going to love it. Look at this. You could see all the little pieces of the fruit, and I'm gonna mix it so that you see how this looks when it's all mixed together. Remember, when you make these delicious and amazing recipes, make them with lots of love. That's the best ingredient you could add to a delicious and refreshing tropical fruit punch. Look at this. You could see all the fruit in there mingling with each other, releasing all those delicious flavor into the liquid of the passion fruit. I am ready. I am ready to enjoy a glass full of ice with lots of fruit. And of course, this is gonna be mine. I can't wait to enjoy. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and refreshing tropical fruit punch. This is perfect for this hot weather. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Remember, the sugar is to taste. Oh my God. All those flavors really gave this delicious punch such an amazing taste. A punch made at home with lots of love. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make it at home. Enjoy it with your family like I enjoyed here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe, like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family, and see you soon. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.